Hey guys,
Welcome back to Pop Draw.
today we're going to be drawing Huckleberry Hound based on this Funko soda figure. And so let's go ahead and begin. So we're going to start kind of in the middle of the head. We're going to draw kind of a little bit of a curved line, just like that, a little more than halfway up your page. So this is going to be his nose. So we're going to have to curve it down into a triangle. Let's start over here on the left side and curve it down inward to a point kind of in the middle of the top line. And then we'll do the same thing to the other side. Bring your line down and bring it to a point. So now we've got kind of a triangle. So now we're going to draw the rest of his head. Let's start off at this left corner and kind of draw a curved line down. You're going to bring it around like that. Alright, you're going to go ahead and finish the rest then. Let's finish off that curve there. So now we've got that. Alright, now let's make his mouth. So you're going to start off at the point of his nose and draw a tiny little line down like that. And then we're going to start on the right side, draw a curved line upward, and finish up with a straight line out like that. Now let's do the same thing to the left side. Draw another curved line up, and then a straight line out, just like that. Alright, now let's draw a line on the left side that starts a little past the nose and kind of goes straight up at an angle. And then we'll do that to the right side also. Alright, now we're going to draw his hat. So we'll start by drawing kind of a curved line inward on the left side. We'll do the same thing to the right. Draw that straight line up. Now we're going to curve it down on the left side. And then curve it down on the right side also. He's kind of got like a pointy hat. So now we're going to make that line at the top kind of 3D. So we're going to trace over the top like that. And then we're going to bring it down inward like that. And we'll go up again like that. And bring it back down. It kind of looks like an M right there. So then we'll bring it up on the right side one more, up like that. And we'll do that on the left side also. And then let's finish off on the bottom line here. Let's bring that up also. And do it on the left side too. So what you end up with is one zigzag line on the bottom here, and one zigzag line that's the same but a little bit higher. So let's now draw downward on the left side on the top zigzag line, and we'll do that to the same thing over here on the left side, and then let's make it to a point on both sides of the bottom zigzag line. And now let's draw his ears. So we're going to start off on the left side, over by where this tiny triangle shape is, and bring it down and curve it around like that. And then we'll do that same thing to the right side. Bring it down and curve it around. Alright. Now let's finish off his hat. So we're going to start off on the right side, and we're going to draw kind of a line. It's not exactly straight, it's a little bit diagonal. And we'll do that to the left side also, kind of in the same spot there. Then we will connect it at the top with a horizontal line that stretches across there. And now he's kind of got like a red ribbon across, so to do that we're going to draw another horizontal line towards the top of his hat, like that. And then he does have a couple of polka dots that we can add, like kind of a quarter circle there, and then a half circle right there. And then we'll add another half circle right there. Alright, now let's go ahead and add the eyes, which are a little bit above the nose, and they're kind of oval shaped. So we'll add one right there on the left side of the nose, and then one more close to that one on the right side. And now we'll go ahead and add the eyebrows. So I'll start on the right side this time and draw kind of a triangle shape almost. And we'll do the same thing on the left side. Draw another one of those triangle type shapes. Now let's draw his tie. So we'll go ahead and do kind of an upside down U below his mouth. And then we'll do a bigger kind of U shape on the right side. Then we'll do another one of those bigger U shapes on the left side. Alright, so now we're going to start drawing his body. So let's start off with his left arm. Over here, we're going to kind of draw a curve. We're going to start in the middle of this side of the tie and bring it down, kind of to a curve like that, and then curve it inward right about there. Now we're going to start right here, kind of next to that line, and bring it down to a stopping point right there. Now this is going to be his thumb. We're going to bring it around and curve it to a U shape like that. And then now let's add his fingers. We'll do one there. And then we'll add another line like that. Alright, so now let's finish his overall body shape. Let's start off on the right side over here. We're going to kind of draw it in the same spot on the opposite side where his inside arm is. So let's start right here and kind of go downward. I'm going to create this kind of ovalish, roundish shape right there, which is going to be his body. Then we'll draw his other arm. Start a little bit above this line here and go down. Now we're going to draw these other fingers. Just curve it around like that. You already got his other fingers on? Okay. Catch up there. So now let's draw his feet. We'll start with a middle line going straight down from the body like that. And then let's draw a horizontal line that stretches across this whole area like this. We end up with like an upside down T. Start about right here and draw this horizontal line like that. Now let's draw two diagonal lines. We'll do one on the left side, goes inward like that, and one on the right side. And then we'll draw kind of a curved upside down U shape for his feet on the right side, and do the same thing to the left side. Now we'll draw two lines for his toes. We'll do one there, and one there, and we'll do the same thing to the left side. So we'll do one there, and one there. So now we are done with the drawing, and we'll come back to you when we are finished coloring. Alright, so we finished coloring, and there are lots of different colors for Huckleberry Hound, so you can color yours whatever you want, but I colored mine green.
And I colored mine red.
And so that's going to do it for today's video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And comment what you want to see us draw next. Thanks for watching.